Hey, what's up guys? So I'm going to switch out, I put a K&N filter in here, and the other day I took it out to check it and clean it, and I actually found that a little bit of dust was getting through past the air filter. So I went ahead and bought this Twin Air filter. Here's the part number if you're curious. I got it from Rocky Mountain ATV. See what comes in it. So this one comes with pre-oiled air filter and filter foam, like the heat resistant foam, I guess, that goes on the back of it, and the filter frame. Pre-oiled filter with the cage. You get a sticker, which I'll have to replace the K&N. And then you get a little booklet. All right, so let's switch this thing out. There's a way to take this off without removing the seat. I'll show you how to do it. So you're gonna need 5mm Allen and a Phillips head. Let's loosen both of these guys here. This plastic here is, after these two screws, is held on by two little nipples that go into little rubber grommets. So you basically just pop those out. Be careful though. And then on the top here, I don't know what the name of these are, but basically you press the center down and then you can pop it out, and I'll show you how to put it back on. So this is what I'm talking about. You see this little centerpiece here. When it's in, it's like that, flush. And you basically press that down. You can pull it right out. When you want to put it back on, press it all the way up so it sticks out the top. Put it into the hole, press it down to secure it. All right, next, these 5. All right, now we're gonna pop this out. You take these 2 clips here and here. So I put a grease around the seal to try to help it, but I don't even want to take a chance. So I'm just gonna switch this puppy out. Wipe it down. Leave a little bit in there to help seal the other one. Okay, so here's the cage. These are the 2 clips. And then you have these 2 pieces here. So it's hard to see inside here, but inside the airbox there's 2 slits, one for each of these. You have to make sure that you get those in, which is hard to tell, kinda. There we go. A little trick with these, when you're putting them in, if you spin it backwards, see if you can hear it. Let me get the microphone close. Hear that little click? You can hear the threads pop in so you don't cross thread the airbox. So then to put it back on, you kind of just, there's a little piece here, put it inside, snap it back, press the circle till it pops out. Then you put it in the hole. Now you can press those little nipples and put these back on. All right, guys, thanks for watching. That was just a quick one. Figured I'd film it. Might help somebody out. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll put a link to that filter if you guys want to check it out through Rocky Mountain. So getting the bike ready. We're gonna go ride some single track tomorrow for the first time. So we're gonna head up to the hills in the morning and hopefully get that edited this weekend, maybe have it out Monday or Tuesday, something like that. So until then, see you guys.